Hello everyone, this is John from GARANTİ Roasters. I'm sales and operation manager of the company. Today I'm in Moscow and here advising and managing the commissioning services of our the industrial scale roasting machine. So basically you can see at the back ATLANTICA 60, which is 60 kg capacity roasting system. And I do call system, not a machine, because the important operations like green bean, loading, afterburner, and also the post roasting destoner are also part of the roasting system, and you can control entirely from one single panel, and all equipments are controlled with automation. And this video is the sharing the specific information and how we approach the commissioning services, how we approach the integrate the machine and the user, master roster of the facility. So enjoy. By now actualizing the first day of the commissioning process for ATLANTICA 60 roasting system. So basically it's a really great facility. I will try to show you the great venting system and I will get detail of course. And we are calling ATLANTICA 60 roasting system. Why? Because the equipment like the pneumatic bean loader, the destoner, and also the afterburner behind, and also side of the roasting machine, and also the roasting machine are controlled by the single automation system, which is called My Guarantee Roasters. So basically, you have the consistency and also the powerful control over the roasting process. So what we are doing at the first day of the commissioning service, of course, we are checking the all connections, the motor, electric components, venting system, the gas connection, and the all questions also received from the potential users and also the master roasters of the facility. And we will see and also analyze the functionality of the roasting machine and also additional equipment. Where we all started the roasting process. Now we are roasting 60 kilogram Brazil wash. Thanks to ATLANTICA 60. Now we are right now all checking and waiting the turning point. I believe this will happen soon. So, and also we are right now seeing the control panel of the afterburner. So it is set to 380, and due to the fan, it's increasing the airflow inside of the afterburner, so it is slightly over the set temperature. And one of the best thing about Atlantica roasting systems in general, starting from 20, 30 up to 400, we have this charging system for chaff collectors. So we are emptying the chaffs mainly and the dust, or the larger particles from the basket. So it is also so making healthier the batch, the single batch.
То есть 36 это холодно вообще очень мало.
Tepid. Oh. And the 75 Celsius is a turning point.
График реально отображающий температуру.
So we're all tracking the temperatures. So right now the bean temperature is 112 and the set temperature is 230 Celsius. So we are tracking all the roasting process by the bean temperature level. And of course we have the ET, exhaust temperature, currently seems 185, since our airflow is 50%, and the ROR is 657. And also you can track Afterburner, of course, and you can manage the equipment like loader, pneumatic system, the hopper, the drum, and also cooling tray, gates, and Afterburner engine. Since right now we are resetting the pump settings, so we have to open the cover. So it is all natural perspective of roasting system, right? So, and also this is the destoner, and it's waiting its own role after the roasting the beans and cooling the beans and then emptying to hopper of this stoner. And however it will be further steps, the last step we can say. So we are about to get into yellowing. Let's talk about actually those are the key sensors. We are using ET100. They're so fast to transfer the data, so we can easily track the simultaneous temperature values. This is the ET where we placed, and also this is ET where we placed. This is the neck of the funnel to integrate the drum and
Лучше какой-то пришел большой или что-то еще, потому что потом это все переполнится, конечно.
We're all having right now the first correct excitement.
Но уже около.
We will end the roasting temperature, roasting process according to the color of the sample. Master roaster has decided to lower the burner performance to let the temperature and heat inside, and the roasting process is about to end. It's an exciting moment. Yeah.